Welcome back. Amsterdam to Colombo bound charter flight TFL 466 had to make an emergency landing at Dabolim Airport. Two blades of turbine engine got damaged due to a bird hit. Flight was carrying 263 passengers, including 171 direct passengers. Passengers and crew members were accommodated at hotels until the plane is ready for a safe journey.
Charter flight number TFL 466 flying from Amsterdam to Colombo landed at Dabolim Airport at 6 am. The same flight was taking off at 7:30 am for Colombo when it suffered a bird hit. It had to be landed in emergency on the runway as two blades of the turbine engine got damaged. All passengers and crew members are shifted to different hotels until the flight gets repaired and is ready for a takeoff. Fortunately, a major tragedy was averted. This is another incident of a bird hitting a plane in the airspace above Dabolim Airport. The issue has been repeatedly raised in media, but no action has been taken to avoid such incidents in future. A reporter from Vasco, Surendra Markaikar.
Pilen Citizens Forum has alleged that Town and Country Planning Department has favoured and accused in infamous 2G scam by amending regional plan of Pilen. PCF has demanded denotification of the Pilen village plan. Forum suspects many illegalities by Town and Country Planning Department. Forum has hinted at scam of crores of rupees in the conversion of land for the benefit of builders lobby.
गांवच्या लोकांनी मांडूंक ना तुम्ही चोरांनी मांडला तो जाय पळय तो तुमकां तो डिनोटिफाय विदिन 24 आवर करचे कित्याक फाल्यां सकाळी आमी चीफ टाउन प्लॅनराक मेळपाचे आहा तो डिनोटिफाय करून आख्खो प्लॅन तेणी पिलेन पोत्तो धाडपाचो आणि गांवच्या लोकांक प्लॅन मागला पळय तो तेणी आमकां नोटिफाय करून दिवपाचो म्हूण आमची मागणी इफ ऑल दॅट लँड इज नॉट मेड ग्रीन बॅक अगेन reverted to its original status, definitely we have no other option but to approach the Honorable High Court.
Paul said that RP 2021 plan is worse than RP 2011 plan. He said that Sanjay Chandra's company United Real Tech Private Limited is holding 2.47 lakh square meters of land where construction is being carried out even after the court stay. He said that plot is shown as a settlement zone without any consent of the village level committee and panchayat.
E1 and 14 firm, these are the owners. 7 लाख वयर स्क्वेअर मीटर तेंचे सेटलमेंट दाखयलां आमी फकत विचारूंक सोदता आमच्या गांवांत तुमी तेन्ना तुमी म्हणलें गांवच्या लोकांनी प्लान करचो मू ही सगळे सेटलमेंट कोणे दाखयलां.
Forum has also alleged that TCP has shown one of the plot in the name of Goa Sporting Club. The president of club is famous builder Peter Vaz. President of the Forum Prakash Bandodkar has alleged that Peter Vaz will start constructing housing projects in the name of ground.
Peter Vaz 8 दीस पयलू लेटर करताली तेका ग्राउंडाक थंय समता सेटलमेंट करून ग्राउंड तयार. Peter Vaz कोण पिलेंचो आमच्या गांवचो तो बिल्डर हे दाखयला पळय ते मोदी तो ग्राउंड सायडीन पळय सेटलमेंट केला सगळी बिल्डिंगां बांदतलो आनी ती घाण सगळी सकयल म्हणजे पिटर वाज पिलेन काबार करूंक सोदता.
A reporter in Panji, Basuri Desai, with video journalist Sarvesh Reuskar.
Beyond the Barriers, an art exhibition is organized by IG Prisons. Various artifacts and handicrafts by jail inmates were displayed at Kala Academy on Thursday for exhibition and sale. It will continue till Sunday. Mihir Vardhan hopes for good future of inmates once they are released. Chief Secretary Sanjay Srivastav has said that funds raised should be utilized for the welfare of inmates.
These are the artifacts and handicrafts created by the hands which were handcuffed by the police for some dreaded crimes. IG Prisons Mihir Vardhan wishes a good life for inmate after jail.
We have conducted this exhibition as part of the reform and rehabilitation program and our correction program, and we want all our prisoners to go back into society as good people, and this is one of the ways of doing it.
Chief Secretary Sanjay Srivastav is impressed with the talent. Srivastav has said that the fund raised by the exhibition should be utilized for the welfare of inmates.
I'll request IG Prisons to communicate our good feeling, and whatever money they're saved by sale, they will get, perhaps it will use for their welfare also.
A reporter from Panji, Devidas Kamli, with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
Goa Urban Cooperative Bank inaugurated its 6th ATM machine in the state. This is one of the first cooperative banks that has come up with ATM machines. Total 6 such machines are installed in major cities in Goa.
Goa Urban Cooperative Bank is the first cooperative bank to start ATM services in the state. These machines were inaugurated by MD of the bank, Vilas Narkar. These machines are installed at Ponda, Panji, Madgaon, Miramar, Porvorim and Vasco. Bank plans to go for tie-ups with the nationalized banks. Our video journalist Onkar Farari and Sarvesh Reuskar for Prudent Media.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.